Model 2002 Iveco Daily 35C11 Torsion bar with B3750, perfect for a camper conversion. Open mouth smile, fully seated minibus, smiling face with ramp, 17-seater. Body white, minibus. Mileage 85,208. MOT the 31st of August 2024. Engine 2800 cc N3FZA-SKS. Transmission 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, runs perfect. Gearbox is all good, clutch pressure plate is playing up, clutch will need replacing, very easy and simple fix, smiling face with hearts. Condition summary: previously owned by a care home organization who have maintained this to a very high standard. Grin bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, full service history, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.